Hi guys, this is Madi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure without using a meter and only with your Android phone. Let's start. First, open Play Store. Then, search AR Plan 3D. Download and install the application. Open App. Please close this page. Select Allow. Again. In this step, choose your unit. For example, I choose centimeter. In this 7th step, you can learn how to work with application. After that, select Start. Tap on Start again. Then choose Measure. For example, I want to measure the table. Great, let me measure something else. Also, you can see your measurement here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know.